Hello, today we're going to talk about how to get your WebAdvisor ID. So this is for the students at the School of Continuing Education at Santa Ana College. So Santa Ana College School of Continuing Education students, let's find out how you get your WebAdvisor ID. Now you need your WebAdvisor ID so that you can go log on to Canvas, which is where we do all of our work. So first you will go to the Santa Ana College website, and that's sac.edu, SAC.edu. And you're going to type that in to your browser. Let's see if we can't make that browser go up. Here we go. So you're going to type that in your browser right there. You see where I have it written at the top of the page? That's the address bar, the URL bar. So you'll type in sac.edu. Then once the page opens, you're going to click on WebAdvisor. Okay? So go ahead and click where it says WebAdvisor, and then you'll look for the box on the bottom left-hand corner. And right here where it says, what's my WebAdvisor login or reset my password, you're going to click on that what's my WebAdvisor login. So then you'll have the choice. Do you want to change your password or find your WebAdvisor ID? So go ahead and click on what's my WebAdvisor ID or reset my password. Now here is what we will do for a password reset and also to get your WebAdvisor ID. You're going to type in your last name, apellido, and then your student ID number. Your student ID number is a 7-digit number that you were assigned from the school. If you don't have that, you can ask your teacher or you can ask administration to provide that for you. You can also include your social security number if you have one. And then you can click Retrieve Username or reset your password if that's what you're doing. But probably you're going to click on Retrieve Username. It says in order to retrieve your username or reset your password, you're just going to, again, put your last name, then put your student ID number, and then click Retrieve Username or Password. And then after you do that, your WebAdvisor ID will be right here. And it will have 2 letters for the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name, and then it will have 5 numbers. And there you have it. Now you have your WebAdvisor ID. Good luck finding it. Maybe if you're lucky, your teacher will even email you your WebAdvisor ID if you're having trouble and you're in communication with your teacher. That's another way that you can get it. You can ask them to email it to you. All right. Well, have a wonderful time and a great semester and take good care. And hopefully this video helped you acquire or get your WebAdvisor ID.